That good. We're not supposed to spit it out.
He doesn't know what to do.
Does it swallow? Go, But you kind of like it, don't you? Yeah. Not sure what to make of it.
No, he doesn't know what to make of it.
You're doing pretty good. Yeah, you are. Yeah, doing pretty good. Here.
Yucky, huh, boy?
Look. Open up. Ah, look. That's good. Good, Papa. Your turn. Mmm. He goes, yeah, Mom, whatever. Oh, is that good? Is that good? You want some more? Want some more?
That's yucky, huh, boy? Dada doesn't like sweet potatoes either.
Not bad. Here you go. Good.
Lex wants some.
Oh, open wide. Open wide. He's like, do I have
He's
to open? Get it, Papa. You can do
reluctantly
it.
pleasing my mom.
Good boy. Good job. Swallow.
You ate that one. Good job, Bubba.
Maybe now he knows how to do it. You want some more? You want some more? Come on. Good boy. Yay. Some more? Want some more? Look. Yeah. That's good. Here, your turn. That good? Yeah?
Uh-oh.
Not
Here
bad.
comes an eruption.
Not bad. It's not bad. Not so bad, is it, Bud? Want some more?